Here's a stock I'd like to go short here is Chipotle Mexican Grill. We could see it's had a very nice run, tested this 727 level, and we've seen it really struggling. Very similar to what's going on with this marketplace, having a very tough time. I think there's been some real selling taking place here, and you could see the divergence on the long term really been playing a big role here. This is on the weekly. You could see that it's basically been having a tough time. It's breaking through some of these important levels, and I think if it starts to break through this 650, we'll see a pretty good move into the 600. Now, of course, this is going to be an area where you had your first pivot high here. You also have the prior pivot low, so this will be a very crucial range that it needs to break through the 600 range. But I think if it does, I think we'll see a pretty good move down to 500 and probably around to the 450 level. I do believe in this kind of target range. I think this makes sense, especially based upon what we're looking at here. We do see it a little oversold on the short term, but I think that could still continue to run a little bit. That is a possibility. Just watch for that little bounce. Any bounce toward the 700, I think, should still is a great short. I think it could. You want to put your stop just a little bit above this prior high around the 735, a little higher than that. But I think it's very close to these ranges where it should fail if it's going to fail.